brothers and sisters. I am sorry to all whom I offended.
Nagmamakaawa at humihingi ng sangkatutak na tawad sa publiko si Brother. Sa kanyang latest video ng kanyang Facebook account na Chris Bryant ay pinapakita niya ang kanyang pagme-meditate sa isang lugar at humihingi ng kapatawaran sa kanyang mga nagawang mali. Matatandaan na February 16 na mag-viral sa social media ang kanyang post tungkol sa pag-ihi sa poster ni Apollo C. Quiboloy sa Davao City, particular na sa Kingdom of Jesus Christ compound sa pader mismo ng nasabing private property. Ang insidenteng ito ay pinalagan ng netizen dahil sa kabastusan di umano ni Brother. Dahil sa pangyayari agad na nag-comment si Israelito Torion, ang abogado ng Kingdom of Jesus Christ, at ayon pa na kanilang sasampahan ng kaso ang nasabing vlogger at hindi hiyang ang kanyang tagline na respect, bless, and love. Si Chris Bryant na taga Davao City ay content creator at dati nang nasangkot sa illegal drugs at nahuli ito sa isang buy-bust operation. Panoorin ang kanyang public apology.
Good morning and peace to everyone. Blessed and love, my brothers. Let's start our day with some meditation. Feel our hearts beating. Yes, I'm alive for a reason. You are alive for a reason. You are here for a reason. Personality. Personality construct. Ability to perceive. Reality. Definition. Definition. Library. Definition. Beauty. Beauty. Symmetry. Ako daw si Brother. Personality, brother. cannot be defined by one perception of the name of the brother. I'm brother and sister, balance. Are you brother? Or are you sister? Or are you balance? You can go left or you can go right. It's your choice to move. It's your freedom. I've no intention to offend anyone. And I'm sorry for that. My purpose to become famous. I'm famous. I'm not famous. My purpose to be famous is for to spread frequency, good vibration, awareness, perception. And if someone receives that perception to be a negative, ambot na lang. Ambot na lang sa ambot. Bye-bye.